years ago, but this is not her house. Was the old well house, pump house, and they moved it. When I was a little girl, I watched them move it. It was neat. They got like round, like trees or round posts or something, and put underneath it, and just rolled it, pulled it with a tractor, and rolled it to right there. And they put canning stuff in it, and old freezer, a couple of old refrigerators. They're still in there. But there's no electricity there anymore. This is where I used to play when I was a little girl. This is the backyard. Here, look, let's see. Flowers already blooming. That's pretty. When I was a little girl, we used to play back there in those woods. There used to be buildings right here. It was a working farm, so there were little storage buildings for every kind of thing. Let's see. Over there's the barn, the corn crib. Down here is fish pond, and we used to come down here and go fishing. We had a lot of fun as kids. We'd go over there and play in that barn, and go up and play in the hay. And that little building right there was my papa's blacksmith shop. He didn't really do a lot of blacksmithing. He just mostly made horseshoes, or fixed horseshoes, or whatever it is you do to horseshoes. But we had to help him. There was a crank he turned to make the bellows go. The bellows made the fire burn hotter, so he could get the horseshoes hot enough to bend them to fit the horse. But I'm sure before I came along, he probably did other things besides that. But as you know, as we got into the modern day, I guess he just went and bought things. It was easier. This is our little bridge. There's actually no water under it. It's just a runoff for when it rains a lot. And let's see if I can get down here, not be too bumpety with my camera. I can't do lives from here because there's no service, no internet. I don't even have good phone service here. But this is where we used to come when I was little and fish, and every once in a while we'd sneak and jump in and swim, but I wouldn't do that now. I'm a little bit scared of snakes. My husband is more scared of snakes than I am, though, but he knows what's poison and what's not. So he tells me, oh, it's not poisonous, and I'll pick it up for him and move it. And I'll let him handle the roaches because I'm scared of those. I hate them. But if you see that rock, there's a big rock there that I'm pointing the camera at. That's where we used to sit and fish when I was little. That tree, sat under that tree in the shade. Afraid that tree's almost gone. It's leaning over into the water now. But yeah, this is a beautiful place. I know there's a lot of people that don't have the opportunity to come and walk around on property where there's not a house every 12 feet from each other, and just thought y'all might like to see it. Oh, it's washing away here. We need to fix that. It's not good. I'm sorry, I hope I'm not boring you too bad. I'm just trying to talk loud enough that you can hear it. At least the wind's not blowing. Up this hill right here, we used to play on these rocks. Let me see if I can get around here and show them to you. Somebody came driving along down the road one day, about 20 years ago, and tried to wanted to blow those rocks up, said that there was gold under them. I don't know what that means. I don't know if there's certain kinds of rock formations with when you have gold, but those rocks right there. And right next to those rocks, my little Buttercup is buried. That was my dog that I had for 17 years. She was a little sweetheart. But as you can see, it's a beautiful place. It's about 200 acres in all. It's not all ours. It's divided up amongst family members now. There's the house. My parents bought it. So they got that acre and then 20 acres adjoining. And it's all still in the family right now. I don't know if that'll last forever, but maybe it'll last for my lifetime. I hope. Well, one day I'll come and show you the insides of our buildings. Maybe you might like to see that too. It's pretty, I like it. I'd like seeing somebody else's and how it was different than mine and hearing how they grew up. So I'll come back another day and do that. So bye-bye for now. Thought I'd bring you and show you the front of the house. This is it. It's just a small little country house. My papa built it in the 50s, I think. No, it would have been before that because it's before my mom was born, so it was in the early 40s. And this is about as far as the pasture goes is ours, and the top of the hill belongs to my cousins. Across the road belongs to some more cousins. There's a couple of ponds down there. They've got some cows over there, but they're all hiding somewhere. Sometimes they go in the barn, but usually they stay out in the trees or on the back of the property. And there's the hill with the rock on it. Gives you an idea of how things look, how they're set up. Hope I'm not moving the camera too fast for you, but it's hard to know. Anyway, that's the house. And we'll be back another day, bringing you outside.